Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Evie Long Hair Pretty Nails Patty Gel. She launched this about a month ago. If you're unsure of how to use polygel, there are directions written on the back of the bottles as well as the back of the box that the packaging came in. Using these coffin tips that I found on Amazon, and I'm going to be cutting these down a little bit shorter so I can wear them for a little bit longer. And a couple of things that the directions don't tell you is that you do need a base coat before applying the gel, and you also need a slip solution. You can use 91% alcohol or you can use 70% rubbing alcohol. You can use base coat as your slip solution, but you will need a slip solution to move around the product. Once you apply that to all of your nails, you're going to cure that in the lamp for a full minute. This kit does not come with a brush either, so you will need a polygel brush. I personally have a bunch, so I did not purchase the brush, but if you are a beginner and you wanted to try the product, you will need a brush also. I decided to go with the amethyst color because I saw so many people using the pink, and although I really wanted to use the pink also, I just decided to go for the purple. And with my first impression, honestly, this polygel is super nice. I really liked using this polygel. I didn't notice it being too sticky. It moved around super nice and it files really easily. Like, this is a really good polygel. I do use like a Macart clear polygel to encapsulate a little bit later, and there was definitely a huge difference. Like, Macart polygel tends to be a little bit thicker, or the clear does anyways, and these felt soft. They were easy to move around. They were soft but not too soft. Like, they weren't running all over the place like once it got warm or anything. And yeah, I just really enjoyed using the product. I wanted to add a little bit of black around the French tip so I can give this nail a little bit of dimension. And now I'm just adding a few glitters in there, a couple little flowers, a little bit of iridescent glitter. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp for about 30 seconds just to kind of flash cure it in place so it doesn't move around. And then I'm going to be taking that Sweet Life polygel and placing that on top. Now, if I could have done this differently, and I did on the other nails, I would not have put the glitters down first. I would have put the polygel down first in a thin layer and then put the glitters and the little sequins on top of that and cured it and then encapsulated it, which is what I do on my middle finger. But I kind of did it backwards and there was no turning back and I wasn't about to rip it off or anything. So learn from your mistakes and move on. And yeah, this is what we're working with now. Once I finish with that nail, I'm just going to cure that in the lamp for another 30 seconds so it doesn't move around on me and I don't touch it and mess it up. And now I'm moving on to my middle finger, repeating the same steps as I did on the first one, except I'm going to be doing them in a different order. So first with the purple, getting into my smile line shape, and then I do take a file to kind of crispen that up a little bit. Then I'm going to put a little bit of black around the outside of that, and that does create a little bit of dimension. And then we're going to be adding that Sweet Life color, which is absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty. I mean, I didn't even need these iridescent glitters. Honestly, I don't know why I decided to put those in there, but I was like confused on this set. I did not know what I wanted to do. I'm like going through like a writer's block, I guess. I don't know, just trying to be a little bit different, not trying to do the same thing as everybody else. And I don't know, I like second guess myself when I'm doing these sets sometimes, and I'm just like, this is not what I wanted to do. And I don't know, you have to let me know how you guys feel about this set at the end. So this is how we're looking after I finished my middle finger and I cured it. I cleaned that up and then I finished the rest of my set just like that. I file off camera, and at this point I was again second guessing like the black, like even putting that in there to begin with. So then I decided to throw some flowers on there, hoping that it would save the design. And honestly, I thought the flowers were super cute. They were really easy to do. And that's what gave me like that psychedelic 70s like flower power vibes of this, set. What do you guys think of like this close up of me doing like the nail art? Do you like that? It's all up in the business up there where you can see like everything going on. I've been playing with it a little bit, so just let me know how you're liking that. And if you're liking the shortness or the length of my videos, like I've been kind of playing around with like longer and then shorter videos, talking and not talking. Like I feel like I haven't talked to you in a while. Maybe my last 2 videos. I don't know. Like I said, just kind of trying to figure it out and make it all happen and being different at the same time. It's hard. YouTube is hard. But finishing up this design on all of my nails, and again, I love these flowers. They turned out so pretty, and these colors. I mean, this whole nail set is total spring vibes. I could totally wear this in the spring. I could wear it in the summer.
Call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down.
So this here is the finished look, and I was kind of unsure about the black, as I was going through. I wasn't sure how I felt about the lines, so I decided to add black underneath to blend it all in a little bit more and make those glitters and everything kind of stand out more. Let me know which way do you like better. This is without the black, and then I show it again with the black. I'm not sure which one I like better. But I really, really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, staying subscribed, just being supportive and commenting on my videos. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Congratulations, Long Hair Pretty Nails, on your successful launch. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.